was like, I would have told you. I would have straightened it out. I have all the time and shit. All the time.
Black parents get mad at you for following directions when you're upset. Like he'd get mad and be like, hey, shut up when I'm talking to you. So I'd be like, oh, so you just gonna sit there like you don't got nothing to say?
I just wanna roll with you. I just wanna smoke the blunt. I just wanna get fucked up. You just wanna get fucked up. Let's get fucked up. I'm tryna get fucked up with you. Let's get fucked up. I wasn't ready for drinking heavy, but now I'm all fucked up. A pretty penny for all the Henny sitting in my cup. You think I miss you? I beg to differ. I'm just trying to have fun. I caught a glimpse of the bigger picture and cropped you out with my thumbs, man.
There's an MVP behind me. This man is playing drums for like 4 of the acts tonight. Jayvid on the drums, ladies and gentlemen. My name's NATEY. Make some noise for NATEY one time.
Give it up for NATEY one from the
Mr. Inconspicuous. It's 3:30 in the morning, and we just got to Kev's house in Sacramento. It's a really easy drive.
We're waiting on our girlfriends.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Because usually I just play that, and then move the your bottom of the triad down one.
Oh, the
Am I tripping?
My name's NATEY. Today you're here on NATEY and the Girthlings.
Oh, I think it smells like
The Girthlings is?
I gotta get it.
It is an incredible honor to be rehearsing for the first time with these guys in person. Everybody knows the music, but we've never done it together, and it's gonna be really, really cool. Cause I'm incredibly like, I have no idea how it's gonna go, but I know no matter what it goes, it's gonna be awesome.
I'm ready for the.
This is about to be
Good to see you again.
Not a problem. Not a problem.
Oh wait, that's what Kevin was telling us yesterday.
Which one?
That
Oh yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
so crazy. These kinds of things just like don't happen. Like for them to all be coming together at this time too, and like on tour, like it just gives you a good feeling that for some reason you've done something right in your life to get to a point like this. Like it's just undeniably incredible signs that you're just on a path that you were always meant to be on. And there's nothing more reassuring in that. And right now in this moment, I feel so happy to just be here with these people.
Now, I got a really good friend of mine coming up here that don't think I really need to talk more. This is NATEY. Make some noise for NATEY one time.
Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know that something wasn't right here? Oh baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Because my loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time.
Zach, what the hell is up? I'm so honored. The people who came out here before me are some of the most incredible talents I've ever seen in my life. I'm here because I love this shit. I really do. I love what I talk about. I love what I sing about. I love the people who I do it with, including my drummer Jayvid. Y'all already know Kev. And me and Domino have an incredible catalog of music that means the world to me. Thank you so much. I'll see you in a little bit. That's my set. My name's NATEY. Good night. Thank you, Sacramento.
So we can restart evil, eating at the pieces of our peace. Please don't take me from my family, 'cause we are racing too many to the ER. Off for misdemeanors or messing with the PR. Mentioning that we all stand to be as equal. Cease to be deceitful, man. They'll always cheat us.
Hello, mic check, mic check. Hello, everybody. What's up, Portland? How y'all doing tonight? Hell yeah! My name's NATEY. I have the honor of being here. Thanks to a close friend of ours. We're on tour right now. We started in LA. We're going all the way up to Vancouver and back. So we're just gonna play a little quick joint for you. Just like one or two songs, just to show love in the city that I really do feel like I resonate with. I'm happy to be here. I'm gonna introduce my good friend who's on tour with me. His name is Domino. Got a little joint together. We have one mic that we're gonna share.
Haven't had a bad day in a while. Had a lot of reasons to keep smiling. Just 'cause I'm out here getting high.
Really high.
It doesn't mean I'm feeling low. I feel incredible.
Never felt better ever in my life. And hear this through the walls when the sun was always shining. High at school, I was smoking out a pipe. Then lightning kisses had me turning on a liking. Confidence was rising, had me on a mic. Then living how I should be. Yeah, in the bad days I'm living exactly how they should be. It's the message that has took me to the middle of a city where they
Ooh, I just had to wonder. Now you're getting older. Did I just not give enough? I just have to wonder. Now I'm getting older. Well, I guess I can't give up.
My first time playing music in Vancouver, Canada. It's such an honor to be here. I'm so excited to get this show in, and the band sounds great. Everyone has such great energy. It's gonna be a dope night. I'm gonna remember it forever. Oh God.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you. I
go by Domino.
If we're speaking on it, I'm already on it. So tell me to give up, but I couldn't give a fuck. Are you ready to call it? There are better days ahead. Let's just get the rent, take the stress, and learn to vent. There are better days ahead. I won't wait. I won't wait.
Make some noise for Nate one time.
There are better
Vancouver. Thank you so much for real.
Let's just get the rent, take the stress, and learn to vent. There are better days ahead. I won't wait.
Y'all ready for NATEY? Y'all ready for NATEY? Make noise one more time for NATEY.
I've been many days, every day. It's a shame what it came to. Living in LA, ain't no fucking angels. Just a bunch of snakes, tempt you by the playful. Get that shit away, I'm so sick of being playful. Lately, I've been hateful, faithless, faded on a daily basis. Can't keep going through the same shit. It's painful, draining, making very little conversation. Listen every single payment. I've been at it for a long time, all I gotta say is, yeah. Been here 8 years, it's still hard for me to make rent. It's clear when I'm looking in the mirror, ain't the same kid. I'm past the point of praying.
Was tight. One more time, say it now. We're gonna sing this first line together. It goes like this.
Haven't had a bad day in a while.
And let's keep it that way. Make some noise for NATEY. I love NATEY. I love NATEY. I